Do it, do it. Go, 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 go. Do it. Put a circle around your name. Go, 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 go. Finish, finish. Okay. So listen. Our game is what I call signature game. I'll give you half a minute to do that. Okay? So, the instruction of this game is very simple. Easy. Just gather all the signatures here in this room with the help of your yayas, mommies, and titas. Again, the one who gets the largest signatures will be the winner. 30 seconds to do that. Everybody, on your mark, get set, go! Go to your yayas, mommies, and daddies. 30 seconds to do that. Again, the one who gets the most number of signatures will be our winner. Okay, music please. Let's go! Okay, let's count right now. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, I slow it down. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, volume down, please. Okay, please pass your papers now together with your pencils. Okay, please put your pencil here inside of this box together with your papers. Okay, now, guys, let's go to our next game. Okay, this is the game for the adults. Okay, for the adults, Okay, this is what I call the oldest. Yes. Okay, so just present yourself here if you are the oldest one. If you are 80 plus, okay? Oldest guest. Okay guys, ulitin ko po. Kung sino po ang pinakamatandang guest here, you will get a chance to win those prizes. Okay, so sino po ang pinaka-oldest guest here? Okay, oldest guest, please step forward. Okay? Asa po? Mag-search na lang po ako. By my own. Okay, pero this way pa. Alright! Sino kaya ang oldest guest here? Okay, ma'am, meron po tayong special prize. GC, Starbucks, tita. Okay, oldest guest Okay, oldest guest. Okay, let's search for that. Oldest guest. Anong age niyo po? 62. Okay. Sige, wait lang tayo Age 62 tayo. Okay. Let's search for more. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay, sandali Sorry. Anong age mo, sir? 74! So may tumalo sa 62! How about that? Okay! Clap your hands for our Lola! Yay! Thank you so much, Starbucks DC, for you, sir! Thank you! Now let's go for the kids! This time, listen! For the kids, this time, let's search for the youngest! Few months old would be better. Who is the youngest guest here? Who is the youngest guest here? Come on. Yan. Sino? Who is our youngest guest? Sino? 1 year old. Very good. Okay. 9 months. 9 months. Wow. Yay. Okay. For our grand winner, 9 months old. Thank you. Yay. Now let's go. Guys, our next game. This is the last game before we proceed on our eating time. Okay. I think the food is ready. Okay, guys, this is the last game. Okay, and after this game, of course, we need to bless the food. Okay, so guys, kids, are you ready for our next game? Okay, very good. This time, listen. Okay, I need 3 mommies here. Get your mommies now. Now, come on. Okay, get your mommies now. You don't have? Yeah, come on. Oh, your mommies. You don't have? Or ate na lang. Don't worry. Okay, get your mommies now. 3 mommies. Do it. Okay. Now, please. Okay. Mami. Okay. Okay, mommy number 1. Who else pa? Mommy number 2. And ate, don't worry. Ate number 3. Okay. And tita number 4. Okay, that's it? Okay. So hello. Okay. So okay, sit down. Okay. Mommy, step right here. Mommy number 2, step right here. Ate, step right here. And tita, step right here. Okay. Okay, so all the kids, please sit down. Please leave your titas. Okay? Leave your titas for a while. Okay. Our game, okay? Okay, sandali lang ha. I think we got a problem here. Mic problem. Okay. So guys, kids, this game is what I call amazing drawing. Okay? This is our drawing board. All you need to do is draw a very basic face. Okay, but in a twist. Okay? Without looking at your work. Okay? Without looking at your work. Okay. And based on my command, if I say draw your nose only. After that, ears, so on and so forth. Until we finish all the parts of your face. And that's it. That is the amazing drawing. Again, without looking at your work. Without silhouette. Okay, it goes something like this manner. Okay, please cover your face, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, tita. And let's go. Kids, clap your hands. Let's go. First part, music. Let's go. First part, draw your ears now. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much. And after that, okay, ears muna. Kinumpleto na. Bawal silip po. Okay, after that, draw your eyes now. Okay. Okay, thank you. Alrighty. Eyes, please. Very good. Very good. Meron tayong coach here. Okay, thanks for the coach, ma'am. Okay. After that, draw your eyebrows. Kilay. Oh. Ayan. Ayan. There you go. After that, draw your nose. Nose only. Nose. Nose. Okay, very good. Wow. Wow, very abstract, oh. Graffiti. Okay. After that, draw your lips. Yes, draw your lips. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. And after that, draw the shape of your face. Go. Yeah. And last part, draw your hair. Now. Wow, thank you so much. Okay, and stay in position, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Together with the cap, please. Okay, no silip muna. Okay. Okay, raise your art work. Okay, now, guys, this is our contestant number 1. I'm sorry, baby. This is our number 1, contestant number 2, number 3, and number 4. If I say contestant number 1, show your applause. The one who gets the loudest will be the winner. If I say number 2, show your applause. Do the same thing. Again, the one who gets the loudest applause will be the winner. So guys, hep hep! Okay, here we go.
Contestant number 1. Okay, come on, louder than that. Okay, here we go. Contestant number 2. Come on, clap your hands, everyone. Okay. Here we go. Contestant number 3. Kami singkaw. Napilitan. Okay, here we go. Mommy. Contestant number 4. What's wrong? Okay, so we have a tie. 1, 2, and 3 up to 4. Get your prize. Thanks so much. Yay! Thank you. Alright. Okay, get your prizes. Okay, thank you. Now, guys, before we proceed on our eating time, let's pray first. Let's bless the food. Okay. With the help of our Miss Christine Lim. Where's Tita Christine? Christine Lim. Miss Christine, hi ma'am. Okay, so guys, all the guests, please stand up because this is the most important part. We need to bless the food. Okay, stand up. Tayo po tayo lahat. Thank you so much. Okay, Ma'am Christine. Thank you. All right.